Hey there, today we're going to look at how to create dual color text style in Canva. So let's get started. First, add some text to the canvas. Over here, go to Text and add a heading. Then type in the text you want, make it bigger, and align it to the center of the page. After that, pick a font that fits your design. Canva has a lot of fonts to choose from, so select one you like and make the text even bigger for easier editing. Now, change half of the text color to white or any color you prefer. Once done, it's time to save this page as an image. Click on the Share button at the top, then click See More. Over here, select Copy to Clipboard. Canva will process the page into an image once it's ready. Click to copy it. Next, add a new page and paste the image onto it. This will be your first color layer. Now go back to the first page and change the text color to your second color. Repeat the same steps, click Share, then See More, and select Copy to Clipboard. Paste this second image onto the same page with the first one. Now you should have two text layers, each with a different color. Make both images bigger, ensure they're the same size, and align them perfectly. Next, open the Image Blender app. If you don't have it, go to Apps and search for Image Blender, then install it. Once installed, open it and click the button to start blending. Then choose the Linear Blend option. You can move the points to adjust the blending position or change the strength. For this design, set the strength to 100% for a solid look and adjust until it looks perfect. When you're happy, click Save to apply the effect. If the images aren't aligned properly, adjust their position or size until everything looks clean. And that wraps it up. Appreciate you watching. See you in the next.